In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Basecamp email notifications so your inbox stays clean and manageable. If Basecamp alerts are piling up and becoming more distracting than helpful, this quick guide will help you take control. Start by logging into your Basecamp account. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it to open your personal settings. In this menu, you'll find the option that allows you to turn notifications off. When you select this option, Basecamp will immediately stop sending email alerts. This gives you the freedom to check your projects when you choose, instead of having constant updates pushed into your inbox. Turning off email notifications does not mean you'll miss important updates. Everything is still recorded inside Basecamp, and you can review all your project activity anytime by simply opening the app. The only thing you're removing is unnecessary inbox clutter. If you ever change your mind or your work requires email alerts again, you can return to the same settings area and turn notifications back on just as easily. And that's it. You now know how to disable Basecamp email notifications and create a quieter, more focused workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps bring more clarity and calm to your daily routine.